large number of those drugs come from the Cobham Fabric and Eye House in the eastern town of Beltram. They've been pumping drugs here for over 70 years, and today the business is run by Paul Eye
आगे गए
Ugye először az ipartagjához használták ezt a szintát, és később adaptálódott az egész rendszer, és gyakorlatilag színvonalá vált.
Special metal spiral carries the wood gently into farms to use as bait for livestock. Shaping the wooden blocks by mimicking the whole shape.
Pay attention now.
Just about 2 minutes to get the finished rough outside. Now we're still not done. By hand this would have taken about 2 hours. And at the start I said 3 because we still need to hollow out the inside. Now the old-fashioned way, we used to do that with one of these. It's called a spoon screw. We had multiple sizes and the idea was to push them in, twist, and twist, and twist, and that just hurts your wrists. Now we can do it a lot faster and a lot easier, so that's what we're going to do. Once again, using the same idea as copy and key, only this time we'll be following the inside of the model on the left. Copy model shoe on your right. And this is a little bit more hands-on, so I'll be using eye protection, but instead of 1 hour, it will only take 1 minute. Now we're still not done, because we still need to do the front and the end the old-fashioned way, by hand. Big knife like this, one piece at a time. Same thing for the back. There we have it. Now we're still not all the way done, because the wood is still wet, and I'll try to show you. So about half of the weight is water. We need to let them dry out first. We can't use heat. We can't use the sun because the wood will expand and crack. We need to start all over again. So instead we air dry them for 4 weeks. Then we sand them down, and the final result is this. It's a small wooden shoe for a child of about 4 years old, which looks pretty big. That's for a good reason. Because Dutch people wear big shoes. Now Now my legs are pretty short, so instead I'll use this one. We wear them with wool socks, with a finger of space behind our foot, just to prevent blistering and just for added comfort. The shoe itself is insulated, so you stay nice and warm. They're waterproof, so you stay nice and dry. But most importantly, they're impact resistant. So even if an animal steps on your foot or something heavy falls off your shelf, your feet stay warm, safe and dry. They stay happy, you stay happy. Now we have been wearing them for 1,000 years, and because of those reasons, we'll keep wearing them in the future as well. And I thank you all very much for listening.
Thank you.